A pleasant morning to all my loving dear students. Today also we will be doing the revision of map of India. Here it is compulsory 10 mark you have to get it. That is why you should be serious in map work. See, whenever we are checking your first pre-board exam, most of you have done it very easily without giving any attention of this work. Dear students, 10 mark you have to get, that is why if you are giving little importance, you can score it easily. See here, some of the mountains commonly asking: Himalayas, Karakoram, Aravalli, Vindhya, Satpura, Western Ghat and Eastern Ghat, Nilagiri Hills, Mount Godwin Austen, and plateaus, Deccan Plateau, Chota Nagpur Plateau, and the plains, the gigantic plains of India, Konkan, Kandra, Malabar, Coromandel, Northern Circus, etc. It is asked. And standard meridian of India, Karakoram Pass, Thar Desert, direction of the wind southwest monsoon wind, Arabian Sea branch, and Bay of Bengal Sea branch, northeast monsoon direction it is asking. Gulf of Kutch, Gulf of Combat, Gulf of Mannar, Chilika Lake are the major water bodies it is asking. Mumbai High, Jeria, alluvial soil and black soil area, cities Delhi, Mumbai, Kolkata, Chennai, Allahabad. And the population, densely populated state, that is Bihar, and sparsely populated, that is Sikkim. And other than this, few river like Indus, Jhelum, Satluj, Ganga, Yamuna, Gagra, Gomti, Chambal, Vedva, Brahmaputra, Narmada, Tapi, Mahanadi, Godavari, Krishna, Kaveri, Tungabhadra are the rivers. These are, how much I told, these are the map work which is there in your syllabus. Now one by one we will be doing again. Before that, you have to remember some of the points whenever you are doing. You are not paying any attention for this, that is why you are losing your marks. You no need to do any additional work in your map work. What is asked in the question, 10 important things are asking, that only you have to do. Either label or mark or shade it. No extra work, no need to do. Second one, appropriate pencil colors must be used. You should use. Nobody, it is not seen that in pre-board you are used the pencil colors. If it is Karakoram Pass is asked, you should do with the red color pencil. If standard meridian 82 and half it is asked with the red pencil color with the red dots you have to do there. And arrows must be exact and specific. And arrows had to be pointed towards the features. How I am doing in this map, like that only exactly you have to do. And area state must be marked as per the question. If it is asked the areas or the states, you must mark it as per the question. If question is asked to mark it, you have to only mark. If it is asked to shade it, you should shade it. And if only marking is given, no labeling, no marks. Marking only done, there is no labeling, then there is no mark also. With the marking, you should label also, you should write also there. All marking should be done with reference to the rivers. So, marking also, if the line of the river is there, you should overdraw there the river, and you have to write above the river name also. Then only you will get. So that is also I have shown here. Previous videos also I have shown and I told correctly, but no students are following this. That is why you are losing your mark. So if you are taking care, you will be getting easy marks, 10 marks. So please take care. Once again we will do this revision here, map study. First of all, it is related with some of the map study. We can skip these areas. Here it is. So this is the standard meridian of India. Standard meridian. There it is showing. See the 3 points exactly we have to show here. 3 points. So point A, it is touching at the confluence of Ganga river. That means where there is the tributaries of Ganga, A. You might have seen. B, it is the delta region of Godavari river. It should be touching there. And C should be touching on the eastern boundary of Sri Lanka. A, B, C. And with the dotted lines you have to show. Otherwise it should not be correct. Then you have to write at the down as it is shown in this map, 82.5 degree east. E also you have to write east. 82.5 degree east. If you are doing this way, then only you will get full mark. It is compulsory. So it should touch at the point A. That means the Ganga's tributary confluence area. B at the Godavari delta region. C at the eastern side edge, not to cut Sri Lanka. C. And you must write 82.5 degree east also. Then only your standard meridian should be correct. It is passing through Allahabad. Okay. Now the next one is very important one. Always it is asking. That is the Mount K2. As it is marked with a triangular shaped red dot, you have to mark like this. Mount K2. Godwin Austen. Again, usually almost all the question paper it is asking, which you are seeing in the map. Now that is the pass. Karakoram pass it is. See, with the same symbol you have to show what is shown now. Okay. Again, there is the Nadula pass is there. Symbol also only showed because this time it is not there in your syllabus. For the pass you have to show the same symbol. Now Chilika Lake, which is shown in the map, that is also always asking. Arrow should be given like this same way. Now two gulfs. One it is Gulf of Kutch, which is marked here. Another one it is Gulf of Combat. That is also shown. Usually, normally these two gulfs you are making the confusion, interchanging, and you are showing it. It should not happen. So Gulf of Kutch is the upper layer and Gujarat, and Gulf of Combat down. That you have to show it correctly. That is also important. And the third one is third Gulf also important here. That is Gulf of Kutch after Gulf of Combat after Gulf of Mannar on the south. Okay, that is also important. This is also asking. So 3 gulfs. Keep it in your mind. Here are few more important mountain ranges which are there in your syllabus. So first of all, Himalayan mountain ranges. Here you can see. Exactly like this only you have to show the Himalayan mountain ranges. Okay. Mount Godwin Austen and the Karakoram ranges. Godwin Austen is the highest peak. Karakoram ranges are shown here. Himalayas, you have to show this way only with the brown color. That is there in your syllabus. Okay. Then Aravalli Mountains, Aravallis, you should show this way only. Aravallis are parallel to the southwest monsoon. So Aravalli, this way you have to show. Aravalli also there in your book. Vindhya ranges, Vindhya, that is also in your syllabus, it is there. Vindhya ranges. Satpura ranges. Vindhya and Satpura are parallel. Among there is Narmada river also there. You don't cut the Narmada river while drawing it. Vindhya, Satpura ranges are parallel each. Okay. Then there is the Chota Nagpur plateau. That is also there in your syllabus. Chota Nagpur plateau. Okay. Then you have to draw Western Ghat. See, this is the Western Ghat. Western Ghats. Here there is Nilagiri hills are also there. That is also in your revised syllabus, it is there. The Eastern Ghat, that is also there in your syllabus. Deccan Plateau is shown, that is also there in your syllabus. Deccan Plateau. So, Himalayas, Karakoram, Aravalli, Vindhya, Satpura, Western Ghat and Eastern Ghat, Nilagiri, Mount Godwin Austen, Deccan Plateau, Chota Nagpur. These are the important mountain ranges which are shown in your map. Clear? This much only. The mountain ranges. Now, the Konkan coast, what is showing there with the red color, that up to there, the Konkan coast you can see. Then next there is, it shows Northern Circus. This is Northern Circus, where it is shown the red color. Now the next one is Canara coast, shown here. Canara coast with the red color. Next it is Coromandel coast. Coromandel coast. Again, there is the Malabar coast. Malabar coast. These are the main coastal areas which you have to learn. What is there in the syllabus? So, first one it is Konkan coast. Second one it is Canara. Third Malabar in the western side. Again, there is Northern Circus, this much area only where I have shown with the red color. Then the last Coromandel coast also there, Chennai region. 5 coastal areas, that is also important. It can be asked. Okay. Now the direction of the wind. 3 wind direction only. Southwest monsoon winds both sides. Arabian Sea branch and Bay of Bengal Sea branch. This is also very simple only, but students, you are making mistakes. That is why you cannot attain the mark in exam. Please take care. This much same arrows enough. If Arabian Sea branch is asked this side only, Arabia Sea is there. Arabian side, this is enough. This much arrows enough. Same way, same direction you have to show this side only. If Bay of Bengal branch is asked, southwest monsoon winds, Bay of Bengal branch is asked means this side. These 4 arrows are enough. Same way you have to show, because here is the Bay of Bengal. This is enough. Okay. So the both wind, if it is asking one branch, you should draw one side only. Bay of Bengal asked means this side only. If it is asked the Arabian Sea branch means the western side only. These arrows only you have to show. Both showing means it is wrong. So one side asked means one side arrows you show. The same way you have to show the arrows. No need full area arrows. Here also no need to do. Any extra work no need to do. Only this side, the coastal side only you have to do. Land area you should not do. That will be wrong. Okay, clear? There is northeast monsoon also there. Direction of the northeast monsoon also we have to show. This is the method we have to draw the northeast monsoon wind direction. from northeast to southwest. Arrows you should show like this way only, how it is showing in the map. Same way only. Lot of works I have done in order to make it clear. So you should follow this. Okay, northeast. You are having lot of doubts in map work. That is why I thought to do it correctly. See the wind direction, northeast monsoon wind, northeast to southwest. Arrows direction you have to show the same way. Please, my dear students. One of the coal field, that is only this time in your syllabus. That coal field you have to show. See this one. That is Jaira coal field. In Jharkhand it is. Same way you have to show the same place. Sorry, Jaria it is. Okay. Now another one, it is the Mumbai High. Mumbai High. See where it is, Arabian Sea it is written. On Arabian Sea, Mumbai High. That is also you have to show it correctly. Okay. Clear? Jaria coalfield in Jharkhand, Mumbai High. After this, some of the soil condition. Alluvial soil. See, any place you can show what is shown in the map. Alluvial soil on the coast of Western Ghats and the Eastern Ghats, anywhere you can show. Alluvial soil and black soil only there in your syllabus. Anyone you can show here. Alluvial soil is shown here, that you can draw. The black soil, the areas of black soil, that is shown here correctly, marked here correctly. Black soil, either one side. No need full area, even this much area also you can show. Then the black soil. So two soil areas only you have to show. That is very clear. These important cities, the major cities were there, but now it is reduced only 5 cities. Delhi, it showed, Mumbai, Allahabad, Kolkata and Chennai. These are the 5 cities you have to show in your map. Exactly you have to show. Once again I will show this. Delhi, with the help of the dots you have to show. Mumbai, whenever you are marking, you remember that it should not move to the coastal area. Inside the land only you have to draw it. Mumbai. Allahabad with the red dot. Then Kolkata, exact place is there. With the dot you have to show. Then the Chennai. Chennai also remember it should not cross the water area. Sea area. Okay. These are the 5 cities you have to mark. Only 5 cities you have to study. Delhi, Allahabad, Kolkata, Chennai and Mumbai. Okay. And the densely populated areas and sparsely populated area. Lastly, where it is shown with the yellow color, Bihar is the densely populated area. That only. First pre-board it was asked densely populated area. So that is the way you have to mark it. Now the sparsely populated area, wherever there is the population is very less, Sikkim. That is Sikkim. You can see here, Sikkim is the sparsely. This area, both Bihar and Sikkim, you have to shade and show. Sikkim is the sparsely populated area. Bihar is the densely populated area. So Jaria coalfield you can see here. Bihar down there is Jharkhand, there you can show. Nearby this river. Kolkata side it is. Malwa plateau also shown here. Okay. The Western Ghats are also shown here. You can see this. Okay. These are the important things you have to study. Now the major river which you have to mark in your map. They are, firstly, on the northwest there is Indus River that you can see. Then there is Narmada River. Narmada. You can see the Godavari River. Above the line you have to mark. The Ganga River. Yamuna River. Brahmaputra, Mahanadi in the east, Kaveri in the south, above there Krishna also there, Godavari river. These are the river. Okay. So my dear students, you are doing seriously means you can earn 10 marks easily. Please do it seriously. What are shown in this map, especially the cities, soil, Mumbai High, Jaira, and the main mountains, etc. Do it neatly and correctly, seriously. Wherever there is marking is needed, mark it. Wherever shading is needed, shade it. Wherever there is need to do with the pencil color, use the pencil color. Red color lines are needed means red color, use it. The brown color for the mountains, that you have to do it. Okay. Third asset also there in your syllabus, that is also you have to show. Third asset also want to show. Third asset it is shown in the map. Okay, that is also you have to show it correctly. Third desert nearby the Aravalli mountains only, that is also show it correctly. Okay, then you can score full mark. Okay, thank you. God bless you.